Hello students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning the golden points related to nutrition. This is part 4 video. First point is proteins. These are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Proteins, these are made up of amino acids. An example of compound lipid is lipoproteins. Mainly we will be focusing on lipoproteins, the important points that are related to lipoproteins. So lipoproteins, it is of three types: HDL, LDL and VLDL. HDL is known as high density lipoprotein, LDL is low density lipoprotein and VLDL is very low density lipoprotein. तो जो क्वेश्चंस आता है कि पूछते हैं गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल कौन सा है, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल कौन सा है. HDL इज आवर गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल and LDL is our bad cholesterol. Now we will be focusing on one by one. First we will focus on HDL. HDL is high density lipoprotein. It contains 40 to 45% of protein, 5 to 10% of triglycerides, 30% phospholipids and 20% cholesterol. जो HDL है उसको हम बोलते हैं गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल. ये क्या करता है, जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एक्स्ट्रा कोलेस्ट्रॉल होता है इसको एक्सक्रीट आउट करता है. It removes excess cholesterol from the body cells and blood by transporting it to the liver for elimination through the bile. So क्या करेगा, जब eliminate हो गया तो it prevent accumulation of cholesterol in the body. So when there is no accumulation of cholesterol in the body, it will lead to decreased risk of coronary artery disease in the person, and that's why we will call it as good cholesterol. So HDL, that is high density lipoprotein, it is a good cholesterol. And the normal values for HDL is more than 60 mg per dl. LDL होता है लो डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन. लो डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन इट कंटेन्स 25% ऑफ प्रोटीन, 5% ट्राइग्लिसराइड, 20% फोस्फोलिपिड एंड 50% कोलेस्ट्रॉल. जो LDL है लो डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन, ये कैरीज करता है 75% ऑफ टोटल कोलेस्ट्रॉल ऑफ आवर बॉडी. और ये क्या करता है, 75% टोटल कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कैरी करेगा तो क्या होगा, ये हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एक्यूमुलेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो इट एक्यूमुलेट्स कोलेस्ट्रॉल इनटू द बॉडी बाय ट्रांसपोर्टिंग इट टू द स्मूथ मसल फाइबर ऑफ आर्टरीज एंड अदर एक्स्ट्रा हेपेटिक टिश्यू फ्रॉम द लीवर. सो जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल है वो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एक्यूमुलेट हो गया, तो जिससे क्या होगा, इंक्रीज रिस्क ऑफ कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजीज. दैट्स वाई वी कॉल इट एज बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल. एंड द नॉर्मल वैल्यूज ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल, इट्स for LDL it should be less than 100 mg per dl. And the third type of lipoprotein is VLDL, very low density lipoprotein. It contains 10% of protein, 50% triglyceride, 20% phospholipid and 20% cholesterol, and it converted into LDL. So जो LDL and VLDL, these are harmful for our health and they lead to the normal cholesterol value. The total cholesterol in the body, it should be less than 200 mg per dl. If it is less than 200 mg per dl, that means our heart is healthy. At risk, if the total cholesterol value is in between 200 to 239 mg per dl, and very dangerous if it is more than 240 mg per dl. LDL normal value, it is less than 100 mg per dl. At risk if it is between 100 to 159 mg per dl, and very dangerous if it is more than 160 mg per dl. HDL normal value, it should be 60 or higher. HDL is good cholesterol. At risk in male, it should be between the person who are at risk 40 to 59 in male, in female 50 to 59. And very dangerous in male it should be 40 and in female it will be 50 mg per dl. So the normal values are for total cholesterol 200 mg per dl, LDL less than 100 mg per dl, and HDL is 60 or higher. HDL is good cholesterol and LDL is bad cholesterol. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.